Wait, what? Hey guys, it's Sophie. Yeah, I know this video was probably a little bit different from what you're used to on my channel, but a while back this company called Japan Ramen Box contacted me and they offered me a box full of delicious Japanese instant ramen. And I don't usually do unboxings anymore because I just did so many of them in the past and I think they're kind of boring to watch. But when my boyfriend came up with the idea for the sketch, I just thought it was so funny and I had to do it. So thank you so much to Japan Ramen Box for sending me a box full of ramen. So far I've only tried this flavor. This was really good. You cannot compare it to the instant ramen you get here in Europe. It's of course not restaurant level because it's not fresh ramen, duh, but it was still really good. But yeah, I'm looking forward to try the other flavors as well. I'll probably keep you updated on my Instagram. Check that out if you're not already following me. And if you are interested in your own box full of delicious Japanese instant ramen, you can check out their website. I put a link in the description. And I hope to see you soon. Not like last time when it took me 3 months to upload a new video.